Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In previous video, I have explained how to set up the Jenkins in the Windows system. In this video, we will explain how to create and managing the freestyle jobs in the Jenkins without using Git. So let's know about the freestyle jobs. So freestyle jobs is a basic project type in Jenkins. It is used for simple automation for build, test, and deployment. In the freestyle, no need to set the Git or SCM. So for creating the freestyle jobs, you need to set up the Jenkins in your local. I have already set up the Jenkins in my system, so I no need to install Jenkins in this system. If you didn't watch my previous video for the Jenkins installation, then watch my video. So I'm going to browser for opening the Jenkins. So my Jenkins is running on the 8080 port. So going to Chrome browser here, typing HTTP localhost 8080 and enter it. Now here you will see a login screen. In the login screen you need to type your username and password which is created in the previous video in the Jenkins software installation. So just click sign in button. Now this is the Jenkins dashboard screen. So click the new items which is appear in the left hand side. Now here we need to add the items names. This is the jobs name. So I'm just going to another slide. In here you can see the jobs name. We are going to enter my local freestyle jobs. So going to adding my items name as a my local freestyle jobs and selecting the freestyles project in the item types. Now click the OK button. Here you need to add the description. So I'm going to add description as a this is a freestyle jobs for freestyle jobs which no need to configure Git or SCM. Now adding the full stop. Here I'm not going to select anyone right now. In upcoming video we will explain about all those things as well. Here source code management we are going to select none. If you are using Git source code then you select the Git, otherwise select none. So right now I'm going to select none. In triggers I'm not going to select anyone. Here environment we are not going to select anything. In the build step we are going to add build steps. So in the add build step you need to select execute window bash commands. In here you need to write some steps. So I'm going to these things I have already added configurations, the job information like description and source code. I already selected as a none. Triggering we are leaving right now. If you are leaving the build triggers, then it will need to build the jobs manually. Now I'm going to another steps. In here we need to add this one. So I'm going to Chrome browser here adding these things right now. So just enter it mkdir. This is used for creating the directory in the jobs. So it will create this directory. After that, in this directory, this this text will be stored in the output text file. Now we are going to add in the post build action as well. In here we are selecting the archive the artifact. Now in the archive artifact, we are going to add this one for checking purpose. Here adding as a star. If this folder is appear in the build, then build will be successful. Otherwise, it will give fail as a response. You can see in the screen just a bit, little bit. So this I have done. Now you click the save button. In the left hand side, you can see the status, changes, workplaces. Now build now. Configure and delete project. If you want to delete this project, so you can click the delete project. If you want to rename this project, so you can just click the rename icon. Right now I'm going to build this one, so just clicking the build now option. Now refresh this screen. You can see here this is built successfully. I'm just going to click this one. Now here changes console output. In the console output you can see this build is giving success response. Right now we are doing the some changes for checking purpose. So click the configuration. In here we are going to change few things. In here adding the mk directory Jenkins output 1. Here also adding output 1. This is a text file for Jenkins output 1 folder. Now here we are going to add as a 2. Now this will give error because this file is not appear. So that's why I'm just clicking the build now, refreshing this screen. You will see here this build is failed. And going to console output, in the console output you can also see this one. And here you can also see doesn't match anything, even Jenkins output 2 doesn't exist. So that's why. So I'm just going to add the right things in here. So going to add 2 here. Now here also adding 2. Here also adding 2 as well. After here it is right. So I'm just clicking the save button. Now clicking the build now again. So you will see it is giving the success response. Just click this build and click the console output. In here you will also see finished success, and you can also see the logs as well. So one more thing, we need to add this one. So I'm just clicking these projects, my local freestyles, click the configure. In here we are going to build these items one 1 minute later. So click the build periodic. In here you need to add as a star star 5 times. Now just save it. I am going to here adding the 3. Here also adding the 3 fold Jenkins output 3 folders as well. Here also going to add Jenkins output 3 as well. Now clicking the save button. You will see after 1 minute this will be created. Here this is a 3 times build. After 1 minute it will give 4 times build as well. So right now I'm going to in my slide which I have created. This step I have already done. These step also I already have done. This step also I have already done. Here you can also see Jenkins folder as well. Now going to use cases. So freestyle jobs is used for running local automation script. Freestyle jobs also provide learning Jenkins basics concept. It is used for manual deployment and Windows Server automation. Now, if we're talking about the conclusion of the freestyle jobs, so freestyle jobs are easy to set up without Git. It is great for beginners and local workflows. It is scalable with more plugins and tools. So let's go to our Chrome browser now. Let's see job status. You can see it is running fine after 1 minute. So you will see it is giving success response. After that, in 1 minute, it will give the error because that folder is already created. So just wait 1 minute, then you will see the build is fail in the 5 times. So just wait 1 minute. Let's see in our slide. So this is the last step. So let's see in my Chrome Jenkins. So you can see in the 5 times it will fail because the folder is already created. You can just see console output. In here you will see this folder is already exists. So that's why it is giving error. So I'm just going to this folder for checking all the info all the folders. So these folders is already created. You can see here. Now we are now it is failed. So by clicking the delete build, you can delete this build. And if you want to delete this project, so just click delete projects and then it will deleted the projects. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, so you can subscribe my channel. Then you will get the further update. Thank you for watching my video.